In this video, we will compare Flowise AI versus Zapier. Flowise AI is an intuitive platform designed to simplify the process of building and developing AI models, specifically for workflow automation. It offers a low-code environment that allows both technical and non-technical users to create AI-driven applications quickly and efficiently using Flowise AI. Flow AI enables easy integration and various AI model tools and data sources, making it suitable for tasks such as data processing, decision making, and predictive analysis. With a user-friendly interface, users can design complex workflows by visually connecting different components while streamlining the development process. Its ability to handle complex AI workflows while maintaining simplicity and ease of use sets it apart from many of its competitors, making it a very valuable tool for businesses looking to incorporate AI without deep technical expertise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Zapier is a popular platform that allows users to automate repetitive tasks by connecting over 5,000 apps and services without having to write any code. The platform enables users to create zaps. These zaps are automated workflows that trigger actions in one app based off events in another app. Zapier's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to non-technical users, while a wide range of pre-built integrations and customizable workflows offer flexibility for a variety of cases. For automating social media posts to syncing data between CRMs and email marketing tools, Zapier streamlines processes and boosts productivity. While it is great for small to medium-sized businesses, Zapier also provides advanced features such as multi-step zaps. Overall, Zapier and Flowise AI both focus on automating workflows. However, they cater to different user needs and complexities. Zapier is a user-friendly no-code platform that allows individuals and businesses to automate tasks across thousands of apps, whereas Flowise AI offers a more specialized tool for AI-driven tasks and is better suited for users with more technical requirements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.